So we know that Jamaica is forwarding out with the new money, right? And they're supposed to be rolling out. It's going to be available to the public by this summer 2023.
Yeah, available though.
It's available, but they're fully rolling it out. So summer with it though. Practically. So
it's roll out. Everybody are getting money them.
So basically, it's replacing over the time the current series of banknotes that are used to conduct daily transactions. Now, I don't know if anybody has taken a closer look at the BOJ's website, which gives you, a little bit more insight into the various banknotes that they're now using. Uncle Ives, we're going to start with the first one. For those who are not seeing the banknotes, you should be seeing it.
Jennings back power money.
Hold on, brother. Hold on. So the first one we're going to be talking about is the 50 note. Which now shows George Gordon as well as Paul Bogle.
There is no AKA. That is Paul Bogle. And the argument done.
Paul Bogle, a.k.a. Thomas Jennings.
No, we don't know
Jennings, the brother.
We don't know when him.
Remember, we get Bill receipt, but anyway.
Right. So we're just going to go. We're going to go through.
Nigeria met that.
We're going to go. We're going to go through the 6 notes. So we have the $50 note, which has George Gordon, Paul Bogle, a.k.a. Thomas Jennings. The $100 note, Marcus Mosiah Garvey. The only one standing alone.
I like that.
Him not share no note.
I like that, but you joke here.
Then boy, so Marcus said too big.
No.
They can't fit.
And I big, and the man say, Marcus, even say, go up on an iron note, you have to go share it. I say, I'm good at 100.
Good enough.
100.
And now moving on to the next note.
The next one is the 500.
No, that's 1,000.
No, we haven't spoken about the 500. Yeah. Sorry, Uncle Ives, the 500 with Nanny of the Maroons and Samuel Sharp. Yes, you should have.
A Sharpie alone a win.
Well, anyways, it should be there. I did send all of them.
I don't like that because now in terms of like the 5 bills, it's like them. I think Nanny and Marcus should have be by themselves because I look at Nanny as a big hero.
Yeah.
As a big deal. It's not a box food.
Mm-hmm.
So in terms of that,
what you share, woman?
And in terms of like what we call the money, because
Nanny.
We call it a nanny because it's the one heroine we have in the country.
She get her own note.
So, what will you call her money then now?
Yeah, but
nanny?
Well, nanny Sharp. But you joke here. Remember saying no. Remember, Mr. Our civil fighter over so say him no nobody for the money note.
Who is that?
Oh, Marcus Garvey. Marcus, do you know the history of Marcus Messiah Garvey? If you know the history, then you would say, compared to everybody else, his work kind of big.
You miss what I just said.
It's a big deal, yeah.
The man say him no want to share the platform nobody.
All right, we're gonna
I'm 100.
We're gonna move on.
But everybody else we have them I note. Now for share space. Can them other people back it as well.
Yeah.
We're gonna move on. The $1,000. If we go back to the $1,000 note, Uncle Ives, it has Alexander Bustamante and Norman Manley. The $2,000 note, we must say, is a new edition. Mm-hmm. So this one is the first of its kind that we are having. It has Michael Manley and Edward Siaga.
Oh, and they said, why is Edward up on the right? They were talking about debate, what is it? If they're on the right, I think on the left.
I don't know.
Was it meant to be? You know the match
everybody's going to have their own opinions on it. And the last note that we have is a $5,000 note, which has Donald Sangster and Hugh Shearer. No, I don't.
Those is fucking heroes, bro.
I don't know, and there are 6 checks that they have, which helps you to detect the genuine new polymer banknotes. No, it. Uno take a pre.
I'm not there yet, so I don't
know.
Right. So basically,
then give me counterfeit right now. We get spent.
They have 3 categories. 6 steps in which you can help to identify whether it's real or fake. Real or fake. Yeah. Right, so the 3 categories is feel, look, and tilt. So the first one, feel. You have to run your fingers over the top right-hand corner of the back of the note to feel the raised dots feature, which is for the visually impaired.
It's braille.
It's like on the money of
it's called braille.
I know it's called braille. I'm just reading what is on the documentation.
We're smart.
Yeah. Una the front eye class. Big up on yourself. Right? And then the second one is the look feature. When the note is held up to the light, a clear window can be seen from both the front and the back of the note.
What kind of window? Double glazing?
Don't know, but anyways. And then
Or a louver?
the third pointer is the letters BOJ appear in an area of the colored print. So when you hold it up to the light and, you see the light, you will see the letters BOJ, Bank of Jamaica. If anybody never knows, it stands for Bank of Jamaica. Yeah. That is the third out of the 6. I could finish it. Under the tilt section, it has number 4. As you tilt the note, areas with a shimmering gold ink can be seen on the $50, the $100, and the $500 only. So when you tilt the money, which color I see? On the 50, 100, and 500?
No, me shame.
Pardon?
Oh, no, Karen.
Blue?
I just said.
Say blue?
Uno forgot back class.
No, to be fair, I'm not going to lie to you, yeah?
It has a shimmering gold ink.
Gold
so
ink.
50, 100, and 500, when you don't hold it up, it have a shimmering gold ink.
Yeah.
Number 5, the colors of the images in the holographic foil change. So when you hold it up, the colors them change.
Like the old time money then.
And then the holographic foil is on the $1,000, $2,000, and $50,000 and $5,000 only. Sorry.
Done it. Matthew, give me a tip for the $1,000 bill before I bag.
Wait a second. Drive out $50,000. Anyways, so the 1,000, 2,000, and 5,000 have that. And then the 6th step is there's a silver ink that has a highly reflective mirror-like finish on the 50, 100, and 500. So they're on each of them, there are different features. Which I mean, if you take a look at, hopefully we can something. Nobody now go Jamaica soon.
Well, on a question.
Yes, sir.
May I ask it one or anybody on the live right now? England roll out a similar kind of notes not too long ago.
Like Australia.
Can you tell the difference between a fake or real English note? Because I live here.
No, I don't know.
I do not know.
I personally don't know.
To be fair, I don't really care.
Because I think in paper money, there's so much different thing you could do to see the counterfeit. You could put down that light and you see clear sign, or you could write the markers on it. But these polymer notes, the marker, really work.
No, they said that using the UV light, which is the ultraviolet light.
I'm saying with the paper notes, you could see it clearly under the UV light.
I'm putting water.
With these polymer notes, it should be the same over here, right?
Should be, yes.
When you put it under there, I don't know what to look for because remember, money shine it and glisten. So,
glitter.
Me can't really tell what to look for on a polymer light because I've been in a lot of situations where I've done that before. Like, I don't know what to look for. So, if I live over here, I don't know what to look for. Like, imagine these people in Jamaica who is not in a way call it an established business. Like the vendors, small business.
They're gonna get caught.
We do not have it because as you see plastic money, you say, boy,
You're real
because
I knew one them come out and I was like,
an idea. Plastic is not something where easily print and counterfeit like paper.
Yeah.
Anybody can have a printer, a good quality printer, make some notes and
sell it out.
You got dance and you spend them on everything good. But over here, on the time you can notice the money is fake in terms of the plastic one. It's like about the weight and the thickness of it. Because I encounter fake banknotes in the new currency in England. And I could have said, the money a bit thicker
than the regular one.
It just feel a bit different.
And them not slide.
No.
And at the end of the day, that's just my thought because me get it. I me never eat to spend it back. Cause me not make it dead in my hand.
Me not lie, Fun facts, So I see a video, and a woman cuss the government. Who to change the money for? Why think she's cussing?
Because she doesn't understand it.
The money can't go into the jukebox, or the machine and for gamble.
Oh,
so you are cussing the government to make the money we can go into the machine. If you keep $1,000 in your pocket and buy it for your pitney, you're cussing to say it wrong. So if that stop it from gamble, that's not good for you.
But question, do you think it was...
Is a lot of people make their living off gambling?
Nah, bro. And they lose more than what they make.
Do you think...
As a retired gambler, you lose more than what you make.
Do you think it was necessary for them to make the changes?
Well,
everything needs change.
I guess in a sense, like these money, the shelf life in terms of like on the in circulation, it lasts longer because it's more durable.
Yeah,
So
as in the new ones.
In terms of the bigger picture, the country save a bit of money in terms of printing back note.
Okay.
Because these money stay longer in circulation.
Okay.
You now have to come out every few years for shred. And remember, Jamaican money, we don't produce that home, we produce over here.
Over here and then
it's shipped to Jamaica.
Yeah.
I forgot what the company called. But feel like say in this day and age, like
Jamaica should be doing it themselves.
we should be doing something ourselves.
You do it yourself, God go with up on the street.
But you know what I say? Because me and you would have know 1 or 2 man work I mean, you know?
See there? That's why no.
Would I know a couple somebody I mean, you know?
It's so funny though, yeah.
And remember, I could counterfeit them when I get the half cut them. Where you said the bad print.
You know the funny thing about the Jagan here?
The money them
with that one type
lean.
You know,
You know, look a bit lean money them. The one that what them say. Oh, that's right.
Yeah.
We don't know smarty, you know, working at the department. They will say, put 2 in them pockets.
Okay, wrap up. Yeah.
That's why them work there it's more secure than anywhere else. Because as we say, at Jamaica, a boss, all right, they piss me off. Jagan, what's not you want tomorrow?
They just print off some.
Jagan not pay with the field if I get the field note. Time don't get ready one day. No, the money thing, you know, people just always have something to say. Every couple has money change in every country. I just say it go. I remember we changed from the 10 pound to the 5 pound to the 20 and the 50. Even
Jamaica never have got this quick so still.
But the good thing is though, yeah, it durable as much. If you jump off in a river one day, excited to drink rum, your money good in your pocket.
But knowing Jamaica, knowing blood clot Jamaica, we have to first everything. First country in the Caribbean figure plastic note. Remember Big America and everything paper over there, you know?
Yeah, because Jamaica is the flagship brand for the Caribbean.
You know, bro, God say one.
If we do anything, if we do anything, from the first world, because we're so proud and rebellious. Every time we accept shit, everybody is around we. I said, well, Jamaica, we can't do it, man.
We're going to finish this and then we have a video to close off the segment.
I'm asking you a question. We know Jamaica love the way first world country do. But do you think Jamaica can take the good bits then we can actually work smoothly in a country without a hiccup or
no, the government do, but they don't give we.
No. They do.
As in to better the country.
Yeah, give us an example like, all right, we know in Jamaica, the law is kind of a mixture of like America and English and like the trend and, you know.
Everything that we do.
We call it the norm. It's a mixture of English rules and American and the norms. Give us something positive what them take recently, like from these first world country. Or they don't really use first world country again. These developed countries. Give us something where you say, them take this from England or Jamaica and integrate in a Jamaican society very smoothly. Don't cause an uproar or a big shuffle.
The toll until it starts charging too much.
No. But then there's an uproar.
Much toll road over England.
But it's the highway, bro.
No, may I ask you? How much toll road over here?
We call it toll because you pay it, but it's the highway.
May I ask you? How much toll road
there's
over here?
There's a few, you know?
Yeah, there's a few, but...
I don't know what there's a few.
Hold on. In Jamaica, see, you realize that all of the highway them now,
everything you have to pay.
They might take it on toll. So
that's what I said.
Hold on. So that is not a good example of what they implement from abroad to here because remember this. Things like those are infrastructure.
Well, because the journey across the country.
Infrastructure put in the country for stimulate the economy, right? To make people from one side of the island can commerce to the next side and do business smoothly.
That's what it does.
And everything. So a man who down there who they say like a Ochi can do some business with some people at Kingston and the Kingston company can make some more money than Ochi because it's a more market. So it stimulates the economy. So
we're gonna.
It is not good when a man look on you and say, Jesus Christ, if me a taxi man and me know say me can run Gartown and make a piece of food. Me not go drive toll road. Me still go drive all road because that.
We have to wrap. We're getting the time signal from Uncle Az and we have one more video to play. So obviously, finish your point.
No, and then say that taxi man cheap. You know why? If people want to drive on a toll road to go work, you pay a toll road price. That's simple as that.
Right. So back to the banknote situation. We don't know. Say Jamaicans find everything to be comedy and fun. So new banknotes forward out. There's a new video. I don't know Julie Mangado. Right. So as in Not the fruit. I'm talking about the comedian and the social media personality,
So far,
Julie.
your mind gone.
Julie Mango. Her name is Julie. Uncle Ives, we're gonna play this video.
No, she named Julie, not Julie.
Julie Mango is her Instagram
That's the
name.
Instagram name.
Yeah, cool. Uncle Ives, turning over to you right now.
If the heroes on the new Jamaican Money decided to argue.
Yo, Thomas Jennings, go over a little there. Mr. After all these years, the man them take what the man pitch. The man them take what the man pitch and want give to somebody else named Thomas Jennings. Boy, son, I make a rude to you. I Paul my name. Baptist Deacon Paul. Yeah, hear me? If I laugh, I can over in here today. Man, top your nice, man. All you feel for know, say after all of the money you did have is a $50 them really come put your pan. Virginia, really go there, sir? Yeah. Nance, I wish camera you looking at. I yes, how you feel look, Nance. See there? After me no business. Me just hope them still call the money nanny. Because Sharpie no sound good. That sound like marker. Oi, Nami. Make they never just put your side of your son. Instead of your ketchup side of me. Cologne smell good though, my brethren. Oh, yeah, my cousin. Me not argue with nobody where coming from Hanover. Plus Buster Manty and not even your right last name. At least my last name are the right last name. And that you worry about? Donald, you're a little bit too close to me, my youth. May I smell your aftershave. Anyway, 50 days in the office and you're already depend money, my youth. Share, you must learn to share. Who dead first get longer rest? And at airport. Is why them put us together. Because we share a special number. 5. Oh, you were the 5th Prime Minister. Yeah, you married 5 times. Up ye mighty race. Up till today. We never yet share a money space. Marcus, Mosiah,
All right, people.
All right, people. You don't know, say, we have to find the comedy side out of everything.
We have a kind of wrap it up on that note, you know?
Yes, we have to wrap it up. So we want to shout out to everybody that tuned in this evening. Thank you for joining the conversation. Thank you for sharing your perspectives. We do appreciate you being here with us. Remember, this is what we do every Tuesday between 9 and 11, and we are sponsored by the Granaries located at 6 Overton's Yard in Croydon. Make sure to check out their weekly events. Check out their Instagram page for more details. And we're asking you to do one thing for us. Support us on our YouTube channel. Every single week we drop our videos. Go over to the YouTube channel, type in Up a Knife Show. Like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to get notified.
People, and members say this so we get a little money. So if we don't do it, we can't buy the room and the vibes. Nah, go nice.
Right, hit the notification bell to be notified. So yeah.
I want to shout out. Big up Vice Classic on the weekend and every event, but Vice Classic. That is it.
That is it.
Classic, big up. You know, I didn't get to make it to your party, bro, because you know, bro.
Work did it. Yeah.
I was a bit busy, bro.
So shout out to everybody. Make sure that you join us next week for another exciting show. Tell a friend for forward over here. So every Tuesday between 9 and 11. Dragon All Star.
Yeah, I know people love their brother, love their sister. Let love rule in everything you do. I want to read a book in them. Say brain power is the main power. Until next week.
Peace.
See you guys.